Devotion 293. Having been clearly commanded to destroy Amalek and everything they possessed, Saul had no excuse for anything but full obedience. But after winning the battle, Saul decided that he had a better idea than God. 1 Samuel 15:8. And he took Agag, the king of the Amalekites, alive, and utterly destroyed all the people with the edge of the sword. But Saul and the people spared Agag, and the best of the sheep and of the oxen, and of the fatlings and the lambs and all that was good, and would not utterly destroy them, but everything that was vile and refuse, that they destroyed utterly. When Samuel showed up, Saul quickly found out that God was not impressed with his better idea. 1 Samuel 15:18. And the Lord sent thee on a journey, and said, Go and utterly destroy the sinners, the Amalekites, and fight against them until they be consumed. Wherefore then didst thou not obey the voice of the Lord, but didst fly upon the spoil, and didst evil in the sight of the Lord? Repeat after me. I do not have a better idea than God. I do not have a better idea than God. I do not have a better idea than God. Do remember that you will never have a better idea than God. Friends, have a blessed day.